So customer came in, bought this Mercedes. They've just bought it, it's new to them, but they bought it sold as seen. And off the back of the last videos, they asked if we could do something about getting the interior tidied up. At the moment, it looks like it hasn't been cleaned for about 10 years. So we're going to give it the good old iValet going over and see how it comes out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications. So there's a lot of wear and tear in this car. There's bits and pieces like around the steering wheel that we'd normally be able to clean up really nicely. It's really worn, it needs refurbing, but we're going to do what we can with that. We've got a patch on the driver's door where someone's rested their elbow for the last 10 years, and that's going to get a good scrub up. And then we've got centre console, armrest, the usual filthy floors. Can't wait to see what these carpets come out like with the drill brush and extraction. The back of this car also looks like it's had some sort of animals in here. There's straw, it's definitely lived on a farm, and it doesn't smell the best. But luckily Cloudburst have sent us their new air freshener to check out as well. Thank you guys for sending those over. So as usual with the wet vacuum on the interior, we're left with loads of dirty water. There's already one load dropped in the bucket, but here's the second one. Have a look at how much dirt's in that water. Ugh. Lovely. So the carpets in the car have all come up really nice with the wet vac. There was some pretty grimy stains in there. It's all come up lovely. As a fairly unsalvageable steering wheel, at least it's clean. But again, it does need a bit of a refurb on there. The bit on the driver's door where the elbow was, it's come up beautifully. That was just pure grime. The armrest in the centre console, the same. In fact, all the leather, to be honest, well, hasn't been cleaned for a long time. So that's all looking beautiful again. And we've also got the cloudburst air freshener as a finishing touch, so the client's nice and fresh, ready to fight another day.